This is the Frugal Gardener, and today I am harvesting fresh ginger from my garden. It dropped down to 21 degrees last night. I left the ginger out because I knew I was going to harvest it today, and I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing. This smells terrific. I feel like going inside right now and just brewing up a pot of ginger tea. I drink ginger a couple of times a week, and this is going to be wonderful to have my own freshly grown ginger. This is the first pot. I'm going in for the second pot now. The other day, someone asked me why I titled this series Endless Summer. Well, it's November the 10th, and I'm harvesting ginger that I planted in the spring, and I still haven't shown you what's going on inside my greenhouse yet, but this is from pot number 2, and it's a pretty decent size. Actually, there's several plants here together. I've been told that you can also simmer the stems, eat the stems. I've never tried that before, but this smell is amazing. So here it is. This is my ginger harvest. I'm pleased with it. Changed locations. I'm now outside of my greenhouse. As you can see, there's a lot of condensation. Went down to 21 degrees last night, as I've said, and look at what's going on inside. It's nice and toasty in here. Everything seems to be doing well. Just wanted to give you a little look inside so that you can see the progress I'm making.
Yes, I did.
And that's about it for today.
What does it say?
I have a little company today. Arvel's here to join me. So I have lettuce coming up over here. I have cone cabbage that I'm waiting to come up in the back. There's spinach that I sowed directly into the ground here. And what I'm going to do today is add more spinach seeds. So I'm basically staggering the spinach. This way I'll be able to harvest when this comes up. I'll get 2 or 3 out of this. I'll get 2 and 3 out of the next one. So I'll probably get about 6 harvests from out of this spinach here. So that's a endless summer update for today, complete with my harvest for my ginger. And that's it for now, guys. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is Frugal Gardener. Happy gardening. I have a little company today. Arvel's here to join me. So things are going well.